Hey, welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys are having good luck with your gardening and all your projects. And without further ado, let's get to today's. So, we got some tar paper up on the roof now. I'll take a step back here and you guys can see it all. There we go. The whole roof is covered in tar paper. I used two rolls and then about 10 feet off of that roll, so I have quite a bit left over. So that'll give me some to start when I start working on the other side, whenever that's going to happen. I also put these drip edges on the front and back. We're going to get some more and do the sides as well, because I want to try to prolong the life of this entire thing. Because, well, I don't want to fix it later on. Because, I'll get older and fatter and all that kind of stuff. So I want it to last. So I think we're doing good so far. I got, you can see here on the back side, you can see it coming over the edge just a little bit, and the tar paper overlapped the edge about an inch, half an inch to an inch on that side. So I just folded that over and left it there, and then just put the drip edge on top of that. So it'll be like some added defenses against the water from the crazy rain when the rains come. I'm not expecting any rain anytime soon, but it could happen. Sometimes it just comes out of nowhere. The temperature drops 20 degrees and it dumps down rain for a couple hours. Let's see, what else did we get? We got the rest of the panels. So I should have enough panels now, finally. And we got the gutters. And let's see, we got the gutter brackets, and we got the end caps, and we got a little hole so we can hook our drain pipe up to it. And let's see, we got color matching steel fasteners here. They're all brown as well, and they also have rubber grommets and washers, so we don't get any water leaks and damage anything. Hopefully that doesn't happen. But yeah, pretty doggone excited. And I am absolutely beat for the day. I think I am done. I'm just going to relax, get some food, drink a bunch of more water, put tools away, clean up a little bit out here because I made a little bit of a mess. I got little pieces of tar paper laying all over the place. But we didn't waste that much, so I'm pretty happy about that. Stuff's not cheap. Well, actually, it was fairly cheap. I take that back. It was about $20 for a roll that does, let's see, 68 feet, I think. Something like that, one roll. One roll does a whole run down this and then 2/3 of the way back, so not too shabby. We're still under budget. Still got a little bit of money left so that we can get the rest of the drip edges. We're going to do this side. I'll probably do it tomorrow. This side and the opposite side. That way all four sides are protected. I'm just going to go a little overkill on it. Heck with it. It's going to be here for a very, very long time. So I think we're going to wrap that up, you guys. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, pop those down below. And as always, keep building and try to be good to each other. Some of us aren't here for very long, and a little bit of kindness will go a long ways. So that being said, God bless you all and peace.